Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best hand trucks you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many hand trucks and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each hand trucks so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a hand truck. First, think about the weight capacity you need. Choose a hand truck that can handle your regular load safely without straining the frame. Next, check the material and build quality. Steel offers durability, while aluminum provides lighter handling. Consider the type of wheels too. Pneumatic wheels roll smoothly on rough surfaces, while solid wheels need less maintenance. Look for adjustable handles and foldable designs for easier storage and comfort. Pay attention to the platform size to ensure it fits your items securely. Finally, check for safety features like non-slip grips and sturdy frames to prevent accidents. Selecting the right hand truck saves time, effort, and money in the long run. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.